VUTRUX Holzbriketts, your green energy solution for a sustainable future. Searching for a fuel that's clean, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly? VUTRUX Holzbriketts are the smart, sustainable choice. Why choose VUTRUX? High efficiency, burns longer, delivers consistent heat, produces low smoke and minimal odor. Safe and eco-friendly, made from 100% natural sawdust with absolutely no harmful chemicals. Wide applications. Ideal for restaurants, BBQs, fireplaces, and the food processing industry. Excellent value, fast delivery, and professional customer support. VUTRUX, the name you can trust. Clean, economical, sustainable, reliable. Get in touch now for a quote and our latest deals. Hotline, Tapfu, Chinbay, Dambornzay, Bahaimamot. Website, .vn.us.vipsaslan, email, vushutu@gmail.com.